nightmares in my head, I fear.
Welcome back to the channel, you guys. My name is Jack. This is Gas Diesel Garage, and in today's episode, we're gonna put together my C4 Corvette. So stay tuned. Well guys, since the last time you seen my 84 C4 Corvette, I had an issue. It really was an issue. It was more like my mess up, my screw up. But I pulled a Fast and Furious, kind of like Paul Walker did. I didn't bolt down my target top. And look what happened to it. Yes, I am pretty pissed about that. And yes, that is an $800 mistake. Let's just get started. Now here's the cool thing. I was able to source every single part for my Corvette by buying another Corvette. It's just simple economics, right? But anyways, I'm gonna save that frame for something else. But let's go ahead and show you exactly what I got off of that Corvette that needs to go on the good Corvette. Check this out. I got the doors, both doors, that door, I'm in driver's side door, passenger side door, and check it out. Got both front clip and rear clip. So what do we put on first? What's the easiest to put on first? I think we should just hang the doors first. That sounds like a good plan. Now I'm not gonna lie, I think those doors were more of a pain in the ass than I thought, because I wanted to get that thing aligned perfectly. And as you can see, I didn't do too bad. You can see now that's a little off because I don't have the striker in or the locks, so I have to still rebuild the doors, all the guts, windows, all that good stuff. And yes, this will come down a little more. I just don't have it latched, because that's another thing I'm gonna have to figure out, is why this latch keeps binding on me. But let's just continue on, and I think what we'll do now is we'll just do the easy bumper. I say that's easy, but knowing me, it's gonna be a pain in the butt. Now before I put the rear clip on, I need to take all this stuff off, all the weather stripping, and even take the Corvette off, because this is getting painted one color. So let's go ahead and take all that stuff off. Gotta take the side marker lights off, all these bezels, and all these, and then we'll be good to go. Wait, forget that idea. I have a different one. I think we need to fully customize this Corvette and make it look exotic. That's what we're gonna do. Now the first idea is to make it look something like a Pagani Huayra. Now yes, I'm not gonna be able to get the doors to do that, because this thing's got a target top. It's got a smash target top, but I'll get a new one, I promise you that. But we can put Lamborghini doors on it. And yes, those are played out, but guess what? I love Lamborghinis. I love those doors, so it's probably gonna get Lamborghini doors. And the next thing is the all-new Corvette C8. See, my engine's in the front, this one's in the back, but we can always wide body it just like a C8 Corvette. I don't know, drop your thoughts down. Let me know what you think, because I'm probably gonna do both of those. Well, now that I totally dropped that bomb on you guys, this episode of Gas Diesel Garage is pretty much to its conclusion. So please like, subscribe, comment, give me some pointers, some tips on how to build a wide body kit. Anyways, there's always YouTube. Peace.
I got nightmares in my head.
And of course, make sure you check out the merch.